Hey guys, what's up? Michael Gabin 6 here. Sorry to make the long time wait. Today we're gonna be reacting to Caillou misbehaves of Subways / aka the one who creates Sports Entertainment Productions. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks to Sports Entertainment Productions. Shout out to him. But now let's get on to the video. 3, 2, 1, play.
We are having salsa rice for supper.
But Mom, I want to go to Subway.
No, we are having salsa rice for supper, and that's fun.
What's salsa rice? I want to know that.
You know I dislike salsa.
Deal with it.
Oh,
okay?
salsa.
Doris, we have no more food in the fridge. All I see is one piece of bread that's expired.
You literally see...
So go to Subway and get us subs.
Hey.
Hold on. You literally got one piece of bread and it's expired? Bro, are you guys cheap? Okay. First, if you're cheap, nah, cut it. Second, bro, that's fucked up.
Snap dog, this I'm going to Subway.
Oh. Ooh, that looks good.
I actually said light mayo.
Light mail.
I've been here for like half an hour.
Excuse me, but I'm a sandwich artiste. Now, if you got a problem with it, take your ass down to McDonald's.
Oh,
right around the corner.
Damn, this dude be hot. Damn, this dude be talking trash, man. Yo, I respect him for that.
Subway ever.
Yes. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, so what I'm gonna need are 2 Parmesan hot bread 6-inch subs with extra Italian, 1 rat-sized nibble of cheese baked onto 2 half palms of lettuce, dashed with sweet pepper spritzed with hand-pressed authentic olive oil, filled with Swedish roast beef, fused with another 6-inch sub that's done veggie, vegan, veterinarian style, brought down from the Himalayas by a well-mannered Sherpa named Goku.
You want a 6-inch Pakistan... What?
Every Subway smells the same.
Hi, I'd like a salad, please.
Okay. What kind of bread?
No, a salad?
Right. What kind of bread?
None, a salad.
Right.
Bro. He wants a salad, not a sandwich. Caillou wants a salad, not a sandwich. Bro, get your facts straight, bro.
Right. What kind of option?
A salad!
He wants a salad.
Fresh.
Alright, man, you're all set. Eat fresh.
I'm sorry?
It's our slogan. Eat fresh.
I should eat fresh? So you're telling me to not eat this sandwich?
Bro, it's what they say
No.
in commercials.
Why does all your bread look sad?
Doesn't matter. It's fresh.
Greetings, sir or madam. So, I'm trying to eat healthier now, so that's why I'm here at Subway today. Do you have whole wheat bread?
Of course we do.
Perfect. I'll get 2 foot-long meatball subs with double provolone and an extra row of meatballs and the largest Coke that you have. And then instead of chips, can I instead get a 3-foot-long party sub dunked in mayo?
Hold up. The largest Coke? Bro, that's way too much sugar, even for me. I'm chubby as hell right now. Bro, I gotta lose some weight.
Look fresh. What's your name? Subway.
A salad!
What kind of bread?
He said a salad. A freaking salad.
Just vegetables in a bowl!
What? Wait, a bread bowl?
How many types of bread does Subway sell?
Lettuce and tomato?
Yes, please. And could I also get spinach, cucumbers, onions, both the white and the purple, please? Pickles and bell peppers, cheese, both shredded and sliced, obviously.
Sweet. Is that it?
I'm sorry. Could I get a little more lettuce, please? Give me more lettuce.
Bro.
Just a little more lettuce, please.
How much lettuce does this man need? Bro, I mean, you're not on a diet or anything. I need the greens. I need the lettuce. It's like all day, I need the greens. Like, I need, like, lettuce, bro. I mean, lettuce is good. But still, I gotta get the most of the green myself. I gotta stop eating this junk food sometimes. But, like, I'm serious. You gotta get the greens, man. I mean, I gotta get the greens also. It's like, really.
Please. Sir, am I gonna have to call your manager? I want more lettuce. Perfect. Just wrap it on up and I'll be on my merry way.
Bro, boys should be trying to wrap it up.
Alright. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Eat fresh.
Could I actually get my 12-inch cut into 6 2-inches, and then those cut in half into 1-inch 1-inches?
Great. Now put all the vegetables into the bowl.
There you go.
So it's only vegetables.
Yes, a salad. It's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, would you like this toasted?
No,
No.
you idiot.
How long would you like this toasted for?
I like subs, and I'm not talking about subtraction.
I've got every single one. Pokemon,
Hi.
not STDs.
Hi. I would love a cup of broccoli cheddar soup.
Oh my... She's here! The chosen one! The day finally came! No one ever buys our soup! It would...
What chosen one? Like, Lily. What chosen one? That's just messed up.
be my honor to serve you soup, my dear lady, yes! We only have chicken noodle soup today. Tuesdays. Broccoli cheddar day. I'm so sorry. We've let you down. Oh, chosen one.
That's not-
See you in the next life, dear friend.
In the next life, dear friend.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Why isn't it burning?
I don't know. Did we forget to plug the soup in?
Oh, we haven't had it plugged in years. We discontinued it in like 2008.
Oh, my guess it's just been sitting there.
Okay, I'm shocked about that now. That's crazy.
Yeah, it just weird.
Okay, in that case, I will just get a salad.
For sure. What type of bread? Every Subway ever.
Yo, really? No bread.
Oh, how dare you get a salad instead of a sub and yell, that's it, you're grounded for 15 minutes.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So Lily, he wanted a salad, not a sandwich from Subway. So now, his dad grounded for it, which is like the Force Entertainment Productions. Like, why would he ground him though? Like, it doesn't even make possible sense. Don't forget to hit me a little like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an episode. My name is Michael Gibbon E6. Have a good day, my friends.